Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel TechUp. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your Barclays Card account. So let's get started. First, open any browser that you like. Then in the search bar, type in Barclays Card, then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as cards.barclayscardus.com. In my case, it's the first one. And now we are in the official website of Barclays. So go ahead and tap on this login button, which is on the top navigation bar. Then a form will open up asking for your username and your password. So go ahead and provide your username in the text field given for username. Then provide your password in the text field given for password. You can check this box that says remember username so that you don't have to provide your login credentials next time you log in. If you have forgotten your username or password, you can reset it by tapping on this text that says forgot username or password. And once you're done providing your username and password, tap on the login button and you will be successfully logged into your account if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. Give this video a thumbs up if you find this video helpful and subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries in the comment section below. I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.